Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor baminta gasngi. Umentri rangba ke jylla Konrad ke sangma negasngi tho ding ula play pat ba bar IT ke 5-star hotel ke beningkong ha ke jylla balatip kum kataj vivanta ke badan hakandai lat Shillong. Kani ke hotel ke 13 dang ban pentrei na du usnam shihajar kandai spa prapusan da ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation MTDC ya ke ba ai kerteng ke hotel Groberaf. Umentri rangba ke jylla ula IT ya ushabi jongkani ke hotel shaka Deep Shikaro kabade ke Executive Vice President jong ke Indian Hotel Company Limited IHCL kabami kman ikikan hun ban penyat ya kene ke 5-star hotel. Hagani ke jingpli ya ke hotel laya don lang umentri ke tanat jengok kai ubak senyau balang dhar uchairman jong ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation MTDC. Usaleng sangma u Chief Secretary ke jylla uba DP Walang ki Chief Secretary barim ke jylla ki he officer sarkar ki try jong ki hotel bapher bat ki wei u Konrad ulo ong ke jingpli ya kani ke hotel kalong ke ke bansa jingkan mau ya ke jylla bat kan pinsa priang ru ya ke khubor jong ke jingdan jingkermen ba om dei ban kenran din habamat ya kinu ki jingtenju. Ula ong nadu kesngi ba ula shimti ban penyahat ya ke sorkar ula pai khmat bahasya ki projek berki kam ki bla sateng la slemba ya ka baki pat ba ki lakmi lenti ba on omla bane AA Satya. Henry ke sorkar kala shimkhya ya kini ki kam ki babun ki jingtinju. Ka jingla ban shna pendep ya kini ka projek ka dei namar ka jingdan benta jong baro ki balai no senyang hala ijong ibenta ban pentikna ba ka dei ban poi syakathong bar kane kala urlong menta ong ukonran. Da ka jing IY live host nem ka MTDC ya kane ka hotel kanyo ya ka khajna ka bakot palat ya ka shispa aklur bar kane kan pelong ya ka MTDC ka bakhan ha ka jingdon ya ka pizza tingka. Ka sorkar jylla ka khmi lenti bahagi ni ki live host nem ki banwan lingba ka khajna GST kanyo lum palat ya ka san spa aklur ka khajna tangna kane ka hotel ong umentri rangba. Haba pai shiki briu ki bantrei hakani ka 5-star hotel umentri rangba ulo ong ba kumba prapo na ka shispa kende hi ki traishnong jong ka jylla ki baha bantrei shabar ka jylla baro shikata.
Support him, and at the same time we'll have the activities to know that, well, I will do this on day 1, this on day 2, this on day 3, and be able to extend the stay of the tourist from just 1 day to 5 days, 6 days. So this really is the larger goal and larger picture of what we are trying to achieve out here. And what has happened today here in Shillong is just the beginning of this entire process, or it's a part of this entire process. I'm sure I can see so many of our other friends from the hotel industry who are here. Well, we should take this in a positive way. We need to bring up the standards in every way possible. This is a positive competition that we want. We would like to see that every hotel should now compete with each other in a positive manner and become better and better at what they do. And I think it's important to realize that today, in terms of the high-end rooms, Shillong has less than 350 high-end rooms. That's it. You'll be surprised. When you go to any other part of the world, one hotel will have 2,000 rooms. Forget the whole state. And here we are, the whole state, and we have less than 350 rooms that are of high-end value. That means that there's a huge gap between demand and supply. And hence we really need to come together, and I would want that every other operator out here in terms of hotels are able to improve that overall standards and bring things up even in the existing hotels that we have. And I'm sure that this will be a source of inspiration for all the other hotel operators in the city as well as the whole of the state.